Today's tribute is Shoshana Kolodny, who works, she's a licensed financial professional who teaches financial literacy and wants to empower people to do what they need to do to stay on top of stuff. And so, right off the bat, I can say that her banner is very simple. It's very clear that she's a success and abundance coach, but that conflicts a bit with exactly what she's saying in her banner. So we'd want, it doesn't have to completely mirror exactly what it says, but we want to make sure that they are working with each other. So the success and abundance coach, I like that name, but then she only talks about building wealth, not just revenue and financial freedom. The other thing is, it's a minor thing, but pretty significant, is that her name is spelled wrong in the banner. Happens to all of us, but just an FYI. The other thing is that Shoshana's LinkedIn profile, which actually I mentioned earlier this week, is really light on details. And I would like to see a lot more added to it. This is almost as if I've been connected to Shoshana for a minute, but I don't see a lot of information here. We could be using the skills. We could talk about services offered. Her about is nice and short, but it might be a little bit too short. No business pages were created. So I would like to see a lot more oomph there, a lot more information there, so that if I were someone who needed to use or who wanted to use Shoshana's services or to participate, I don't exactly know what the SK Success Academy is. I would like to see some more information about that. And so we pull all that together, and her profile can be really powerful, just needs a lot more detail. And she doesn't have to go overboard. She doesn't have to go into such excruciating detail, but I need information to make a decision, if that makes sense. Okay, so a big thank you to Shoshana for letting me review their profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I'm able to do it.